Well, hello there, YouTube. What is today? The 10th? May 10th. I had to take a break from working, and I have to make a Walmart run. The only bad thing about Walmart, anywhere here, I gotta drive at least 8 miles. 8 to 15 miles to get anywhere. I'll turn it on a little bit later. I won't get on the freeway. There we go. I want to stay on the frontage road. It's really weird. The frontage are both ways until you get down here, then it's one way. But you got to go underneath the underpass. And what's really weird, here the cars exit and you got to yield because you can run head on right into somebody exiting. It's so strange. And it's even harder going the other way because you got to look behind you. Try and look behind you anyway. And we go down to Royse City. The Walmart. This seems to be closer than Greenville. Maybe a mile. Just a mile closer. See, here I got to exit for these people coming and entering on too. That's a lot easier. Now I got to go under and get on the other side of the road. I can still go straight, but this is the only way under. Otherwise, I got to turn left. There's a great big drag strip here on some Sundays. You can just hear these things ripping. The big dragsters, the big long dragsters. But that's a big drag strip there. Look at, there's motorhomes, and oh, there's still a motorhome there. But that thing is loud. Kind of cool. Got a go-kart track right up the street there too. Drag strip and a go-kart track. The DKC or Dallas Karting. I like to be able to just stay on the frontage instead of get on the freeway. Just takes a little longer. Got some stoplights. But all new roads. Haven't had a chance to ride. We just got up here Sunday. I'm staying because we moved the animals, the cats up here. Excuse me. I don't know what it is about up here. I stopped coughing till I got up here, and then maybe it's the grass or something up here. But yeah, we got the animals here. My wife's going to go back probably tomorrow. She's going to do some more cleaning and mulch the front and the backyard. We got 15 bags of mulch. So she's going to mulch, get it all ready, and then clean the inside. Then it should be ready for the realtors to come and take photos, because we got a lot of the private, personal stuff out of there, and had to leave a lot of the furniture just to stage it. And then they'll come out and take pictures. They should put that thing for sale pretty soon. Maybe in a couple weeks. We're going to get it sold this month. In May, it'd be a really good time to sell. So hopefully we'll make a lot of money from it. The prices have skyrocketed. It's my old house is enough to pay for this one without all the landscaping and grass and concrete, but it'll pay for the house and the shop and the apartment, believe it or not. So we'll have a lot of money left over to clean the back out and put a fence all around the back. It's pretty nice. It's exciting. I'm glad I don't have to go home. I don't have to go back to Leander. I am home. We'll have to go back once the house sells and get all our stuff. I didn't bring my closet. I emptied all my dressers, but I didn't bring my closet, so I got a lot of clothes in the closet that I didn't bring. The whole closet's full. here's Buc-ee's. We'll see how much gas is here. I don't know what's going on. I know it's always excuses that the gas is so high. You need to start drilling in Texas again. We need to be dependent on our own country, not everybody else. Nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. I gotta get some gas so I won't make it too far. Yeah, see how much it is here. $4.18 here too. Oh my Lord.